Hey everyone, if you want to edit PDFs without subscriptions, signups, or watermarks, this tool might surprise you. In this video, I'll show you what JoPDF is, how to download it, and how to edit your first PDF step by step. Let's begin. What is JoPDF? JoPDF is a free PDF editor available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux with JoPDF. You can edit PDFs, add text and images, annotate documents, organize pages, protect files, and the best part, you don't need an account. Step 1. Download and install. Here's the process. 1. Open your browser. 2. Go to jopdf.com. 3. Click Try Now. 4. Choose your system version, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. 5. Download the installer. The file size is around 120 megabytes, so the download is quick. After downloading, 6. Open the installer. 7. Follow the installation steps. 8. Launch JoPDF. You'll now see options like Edit PDF, Create PDF, Organize PDF. Let's test the editing feature. Step 2. Edit a PDF to edit a document. 1. Click Edit PDF. 2. Select any PDF file. For example, a resume. 3. The document will open in the editor. Now you can. Click on existing text to edit it. Fix spelling mistakes. Change the font size. Add new paragraphs. Insert images. Add clickable links. Unlike many free tools, the editing is direct and smooth, not just a text overlay. For students, teachers, researchers, and professionals, this can save a lot of time. Step 3. Use annotation tools. If you want to review or comment on documents. 1. Open the annotation tools. 2. Select the text you want. You can highlight text, change highlight colors, strike through content, add comments and notes. This is especially useful for document reviews, assignments, and feedback. Step 4. Organize pages. JoPDF also lets you manage document pages. Here's how. 1. Click Organize PDF. 2. Load your PDF file. You can then rearrange pages, delete pages, add new pages, rotate pages. This is helpful when working with reports, merged documents, or assignments. Step 5. Protect your PDF if you want to secure your file. 1. Open the Protect option. 2. Enter a password. 3. Save the file. Your PDF will now be encrypted and protected, which is useful for confidential documents. Final thoughts. If you need a simple and lightweight PDF editor for everyday tasks, JoPDF does the job well. It's fast. It's free, and it doesn't require signups. You can download it from jopdf.com, try it yourself, and see if it fits your workflow.